viewers, this is ERi-TV English News. I'm Barsabat Taghla reporting live from the headquarters in the capital Asmara, here with your latest updates on the world's most pressing issues. We'll start with the top stories for today. World Rabies Day observed at national level in the capital Asmara. Support of educational materials provided to disadvantaged students. Hungary blasts Poland for dangerous Russia comments. And Pentagon orders arms makers to quadruple missile production. In your domestic reports, World Rabies Day, commemorated on 28 September, was observed at the national level in Asmara on 30 September under the theme Act Now, You, Me, Community to curb the prevalence of rabies disease. Mr. Samara Amlason, Director General of Agriculture Extension at the Ministry of Agriculture, stated that as a result of sustained awareness-raising activities and vaccination programs, significant progress has been achieved in controlling the disease. He called for reinforced efforts to ensure its total eradication. Mr. Asgadon Tawalda, representing the Food and Agriculture Organization, emphasized that the day serves as an opportunity to reaffirm collective commitment to coordinated efforts and to enhance public awareness about rabies. At the event, 6 research papers were presented by experts from the Ministries of Agriculture and Health, highlighting efforts undertaken in Eritrea to control the disease and outlining the progress achieved so far. Dr. Jonas Waldu, Director of Animal and Plant Health at the Ministry of Agriculture, noted that Eritrea is working towards the eradication of rabies by 2030. He said that vaccination programs conducted between 2015 and 2025 have registered commendable results. The event was attended by senior officials from the ministries, representatives of UN offices in Eritrea, representatives of colleges, experts, and invited guests. In another news, branches of the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare in the subzones of Adayeh, Maimene, Imnahaili and Masawa have provided educational materials to disadvantaged citizens in their respective areas. Accordingly, 128 disadvantaged students from 6 elementary and junior schools in Adayeh subzone, 95 in Maimene, 81 in Maihaili, and 250 students Masawa subzone received. Sorry, 250 students from 5 administrative areas in Masawa subzone received educational materials for the 2025-2026 academic year. Heads of the education offices in the subzones said that the objectives of the support was to enable disadvantaged students to continue their education without interruption due to the lack of materials. They also called on the beneficiary students to work hard and strive to become competitive learners. Still with your domestic reports, popular campaigns to renovate dirt roads has been carried out in the subzones of Saganeti and Ndagirgis. The roads had been damaged by flooding and were difficult for vehicles to use. Mr. Eritrea, administrator of the Maimene Semi-Urban Center, said that the renovation of a 10-kilometer dirt road was carried out with the strong participation of the public and members of the defense forces. He noted that the work will make a significant contribution to facilitating the daily activities of residents. An ERINA reporter in Saganeti also reported that another road damaged by flooding was renovated through collaboration between the public, government employees and heavy truck owners. Dear viewers, we'll be back shortly with your international reports and more, so stay tuned. Welcome back. The European Union is not at war with Russia over Ukraine. Hungarian Prime Minister Viktor Orban has said in a rebuke to his Polish counterpart. Orban made the comments on X after Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk delivered a pro-Ukrainian speech at a security forum in Warsaw yesterday, Tuesday, September 13. Tusk urged EU members to continue supporting Kyiv by all means necessary. Unlike most EU countries, Hungary has refused to send weapons to Ukraine and has advocated for a diplomatic resolution of the conflict. Orban vowed not to let war-mongering bureaucrats in Brussels drag Hungary into an all-out war with Russia. Hungarian diplomats have repeatedly clashed with Ukrainian officials on social media. On today's final report, the Pentagon has reportedly urged military contractors to double or even quadruple the production rates of various missiles due to concerns about low stockpiles in the United States. The Wall Street Journal, citing sources familiar with the matter, reported that military leaders are pushing for an accelerated assembly of 12 critical weapons. Of particular importance is the Patriot missile system, as Lockheed Martin, a major arms manufacturer, works to keep pace with the rising global demand for this technology. Informed sources also revealed a series of high-level meetings between Pentagon officials and representatives from missile manufacturing companies, aiming to significantly increase the production of vital weaponry. Monday's report is not the first to express official concerns over low stockpiles. Prominent American experts have previously underlined the inadequate preparedness of the country's missile architecture to handle alleged high-volume threats. Dear viewers, that was it for today, but before we conclude, a quick recap of the top stories. World Rabies Day observed at national level in the capital, Asmara. Support of educational materials provided to disadvantaged students. Hungary blasts Poland for dangerous Russia comments. And the Pentagon orders arms makers to quadruple missile production. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with more news and developments. But until then, have a nice one.